Hi, my name is Jackie Druga, and I am an author in what I like to call a weekend warrior filmmaking. And today we're going to talk about do-it-yourself lighting. Lighting is so important as a filmmaker, as everyone knows. Sometimes, however, you're on a time crunch and a budget crunch. And if you're like me, you were searching the web on how to do this, how to make your own lights. I'm on a time crunch because 48-hour film festivals in 2 days, and not only is my lighting man not coming, I have no lights because of a recent flood. So join me on my journey to make this. I'm not mechanically inclined, and I will not take credit for this. Wholesale University taught me the basics of this. I'll just take credit for the adjustments I made, and you can find the link to the original video below. Okay, some of the things that he described were the squiggly little pipes, and I could not find them, so I had to make do. So these are non-grip stick bars that I bought. These are my makeshift stands that I made. It's just the T pipes with a little elbows super glued, and these ones are the T pipes with the screw pockets there. These are elbows. You'll need some of these. You will need 3/4 inch PVC piping and 2-foot PVC piping, which he didn't include in that. I guess he cut it, but I don't know how to do that. You'll need your brightest light bulbs at least 150 watt. These are supposedly a CRI index of 95, which is closest to sunlight, and that's what you want. You'll need these clampy lamp things, and then you're gonna need pantyhose, which I did not know that they still made. So we're gonna get started on this project. And this is it. I'm not holding it because I'm proud of it. I'm holding it because it falls. So this would actually give credence to needing a lighting man. However, if I got a better footing, I'm sure work like that. I'm thinking my footing over there that I used for my green screen would work. I was just testing that out. The lights look good. I could use one more, but as you can see, my subjects are right there. I'm a little dance girls. No. I'm Jackie Druga, and this has been Do-It-Yourself Lights that I learned off of Sale University. The concept is good. Hey, got any recommendations on these bottoms? I'm here to help, but it looks like the other ones will work. This is just not going to work without somebody holding it. Have a great day.